Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate an average in Notion using the add operator. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking grades, expenses, or any data where you need to see the mean value across multiple columns. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open Notion and select the workspace that contains your table. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where your table database with all your columns is located. This is where you'll be adding your average calculation, so make sure you're working in the right database. Now look to the top right of your table and click on the option that says plus add a property. This will allow you to create a new column where your average will be calculated. When the property type menu appears, select formula as the property type. Formula columns are powerful because they let you perform calculations automatically across your entire database. Next, you'll want to name this new column something descriptive. For example, if you're calculating student grades, you might call it average grade. This helps keep your database organized and easy to understand at a glance. Click into the formula input box that appears. This is where the magic happens. You'll type in a formula that adds together all your values and then divides by the number of items. For instance, if you're averaging 4 subjects like math, English, science, and history, your formula would look like this: prop math plus prop English plus prop science plus prop history. What this does is add all 4 grade columns together, then divide the total by 4 to give you the average. The parentheses ensure the addition happens before the division, which is crucial for getting the correct result. Once you've entered your formula, press Done or simply click outside the formula box to save it. Notion will immediately apply this formula to every row in your database, calculating the average automatically for each entry. Take a moment to review your new average grade column and verify that it's calculating the average score correctly for each row. The beauty of this setup is that it updates automatically whenever you change any of the individual subject scores. One last thing to keep in mind: if you ever add or remove subjects from your table, you'll need to adjust the formula divisor accordingly. For example, if you add a 5th subject, you'd change the divisor from 4 to 5 to maintain an accurate average. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.